Imagine you type a single idea, and instantly you get working code, a prototype, and even a deployable app. Sounds like science fiction, right? But this is now a reality with Google AI Studio. Today, we'll break down the 10 most mind-blowing features of Google AI Studio, and I'll show you which ones developers use the most, which are truly game changers, and which features people love the most in 2025. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. That way, you'll never miss the latest AI and developer updates. Now, let's get started. Google AI Studio was officially launched in December 2023 as the successor to Maker Suite. It started as a simple prototyping tool, but by 2025, it has transformed into a complete AI development platform powered by Google's Gemini models. From coding to multimodal AI, and from small prototypes to enterprise deployment, AI Studio gives developers one place to do it all. Let's explore the top 10 features in detail and see which features are the most useful, most popular, and most loved by developers worldwide. Top 10 features. 1. Multimodal support. AI Studio isn't limited to text. It accepts images, audio, and even video inputs. Developers in healthcare and e-commerce love this feature because it allows apps to analyze photos, read documents, and respond in natural language. This feature is very popular among AI researchers and startups working on computer vision. 2. Code export in multiple languages. One of the most used features. Developers can instantly export ready-to-use code in Python, Node.js, Kotlin, and Swift. Web and mobile developers love this because it saves hours of manual coding. This is one of the top 3 most used features overall. 3. Native Code Generation Gemini 2.5 Pro. This is a developer's dream. Just write a prompt like, "Build me a task manager app with login and dark mode," and AI Studio will generate a full app and deploy it with Cloud Run. This feature is most useful for solo developers and startups who want to build fast without large teams. It's also one of the most loved features of 2025. 4. Multiple prompt interfaces. Freeform prompts, structured inputs, and chat-style interactions. This makes it flexible for different workflows. Researchers use structured prompts for experiments, while developers prefer chat-style prompts for app logic. Not the most popular, but very important for advanced customization. 5. Safety and customization controls. Adjustable parameters like temperature, top K, and content filters allow developers to control tone and reliability. This feature is mostly used by enterprise developers where safety and brand compliance are critical. It's not flashy, but extremely important for production apps. 6. URL Context Tool. One of the newest features in 2025. Paste a website link and AI Studio reads and uses that content. For example, news summarizer apps and research tools rely heavily on this. This feature is rapidly growing in popularity because it saves developers time when grounding AI on real content. 7. AI Model Variety. Google has integrated Imagen for image generation, Veo for video, and Lyria for AI-generated music. This feature is mostly used by creative developers, game designers, and media companies. Imagen is the most popular among the 3 because image generation is in high demand. 8. Advanced audio features. Developers can add 30+ realistic AI voices and real-time text-to-speech. This is very popular in customer service apps and voice assistants. People love it because it makes AI sound human, and it's a favorite for chatbot developers.
9. Vertex AI Integration.
With one click, prototypes can move to Vertex AI for enterprise-level deployment. This is extremely useful for large businesses that need scale, monitoring, and security. While not as popular among indie devs, this feature is a favorite in big tech companies and enterprises. 10. One-click deployment. The most loved feature by almost every developer. Build an app in AI Studio and instantly deploy it on Cloud Run with one click. No complex setup, no waiting. Surveys show this is the most used feature overall because everyone loves speed and simplicity. Benefits of Google AI Studio. 1. Fast prototyping and idea testing. Developers can quickly test their ideas without setting up heavy environments. For example, if someone wants to check how an AI summarizer app would work, they can do it directly in the browser. Most useful for startups and students who need to validate ideas fast. 2. Multimodal capabilities in one place. Unlike older tools, Google AI Studio allows you to handle text, images, audio, and even video. This saves developers from jumping between multiple platforms. For healthcare, media, and e-commerce industries, this is a big advantage. 3. Ready-to-use code export. Instead of just getting AI text output, developers receive clean, structured code in Python, Node.js, Kotlin, and Swift. This reduces human error and speeds up real-world app development. 4. Free entry and developer-friendly. There is a free tier with token limits, so beginners can experiment without cost. This lowers the entry barrier for students and indie developers. 5. Seamless transition to Vertex AI. If a prototype becomes successful, developers can directly move it to Vertex AI for enterprise-scale deployment, monitoring, and security. Big benefit for companies that start small but plan to scale. Now my question to you. Which feature do you think is the most game-changing? For me, one-click deployment and native code generation are clear winners. But I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget, if you enjoyed this video and want more deep dives into the latest AI tools, make sure to subscribe to the channel right now. Your one subscribe motivates us to bring you the best AI content, and it guarantees you'll always stay ahead in the world of AI and development. So hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.